Am I the only one that didn't know you can get your papers Germany ready in just a few steps? Seriously, it's not as scary as it sounds. Let's break it down together. First up, what's an apostille? It's an official sticker that proves your documents, like birth certificates or degrees, are real and accepted in Germany. Think of it as a VIP pass for your paperwork. Step 1. Gather your original documents. No photocopies, please. Germany's picky. Step 2. Head to your state's home department or the Ministry of External Affairs website. Fill out the online form, upload your docs, and pay the fee. It's usually less than a pizza party. Step 3. Drop off your papers or courier them as instructed. Wait a few days and tada! Apostilled documents, ready for your German adventure. See? Not so scary. Paperwork conquered.